This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending October 11th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.9% on Friday and was down minus 2.73% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 2.71% on Friday and was down minus 2.43% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 3.56% on Friday and was down minus 2.53% for the week. The market crashing lower was terrible, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin dropped minus 7.39% for the week, which was also terrible. But was it really? Not to me, it wasn't, because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Hive Digital Technology Limited, ticker symbol HIVE, in the third column. It was down minus 5.03% on Friday, but increased 48.54% for the week. Hive Digital Technology Limited builds and operates data centers powered by green energy. The company operates digital mines and sells digital currencies, and they host high performance computing. The company has recently expanded with a hypo powered mining operation in Paraguay, which substantially increased their hash rate. They now produce over 9 BTC per day. This news shot the stock up to a 52-week high. Do you think Hive can sustain its recent momentum? Buy, sell, or hold? How about selling some options on Hive? This week, I generated cash flow from selling 8 different option contracts that range from $76.34 to $255.34. I received a total of $1,009.72 for the 8 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 was $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. Actually, I already reached my cash flow goal. I surpassed $30,000 in August, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I'm not going to create a new goal. I'll just keep making cash flow every week. Tune in each week to find out how much. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased minus 0.19%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding of using options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder, why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They lack knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? In the meanwhile, check back next week to see how much cash flow or income I generate. Later.